Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Lexus GX and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all you need is water and baby shampoo mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto the lens, and then make sure with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. And also just clean out the surrounding area in case the film does touch the paint. Okay, so we're going to start out by installing the film that goes to this section of the taillight. It's going to be a 3-layer piece here. So we're starting with the lower section first. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. On this area here, apply a little bit of tack solution. That way once we align the film, the adhesive on the film starts to activate faster as well. So make sure it's aligned right before the curve here. Once you have it aligned, spray tack solution on top, and with your squeegee secure this section of the tint, and just make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film as well. Okay, so once we secured this section here, now we just need to finish off on this end here. So just make sure to keep the film aligned here. Once aligned, just spray tack solution on top, and with your squeegee start tacking everything down going this way. That way we help remove any bubbles that are underneath the film. Before you seal the edges, just make sure to clean off the tint. Double check and see if you left any bubbles on the back of the film. If you see that everything's clear, no bubbles left over, then we can move on with the next step, which is sealing the top and the bottom edge. So to seal the top and the bottom edge, start off by applying tack solution on the top and on the bottom. Once we apply tack solution, we're going to use our heat gun, and you can use the low setting for this part. Just make sure when you turn on the heat gun and apply the heat to the film to apply the heat evenly, that way we don't accidentally burn the film. So apply heat on top and apply heat on the bottom end. Okay, once we apply heat, you could use your microfiber towel, hold the film in position, put a little bit of pressure with your hand, and just start sealing the top edge. And a method to do when you're doing this step is make sure to go upward for the top section. That way, in case there was any water residue here, the microfiber towel can absorb it and we don't have any bubbles left over. And then do the same steps for the bottom. Go towards the bottom, hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the film starts stacking down to the taillight. Once this is secured, double check and see if the film's not lifting. If it's not lifting, you're good to go. We can move on with the next piece. Okay, now we're moving on to the next piece here. Same process, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and start applying tack solution on this edge. That way the adhesive on the film is able to activate faster. So with this one, same steps. Make sure it's right on the curve here. If you need to move it just a little bit, you can. Adjust it. And the film is going to overlap just a little bit with this one. That's why we make sure that the top section for this film is sealed. That way it doesn't lift over time. So just overlap it just a little bit, not too much. Just as long as you don't see any clear from the tail light. Spray tack solution on top. Hold the film down and start tagging it down with your squeegee. Now we move on doing the same steps on this end. If you're not able to move the film around, just apply a little bit of slip solution. That way we're able to align and slightly stretch the film to cover this section of the taillight. So now it's more movable. What you can do here is just help it with your hand. Just be careful not to crease it and to have it tack down. This part may be difficult, because of the small curve that it has here. Just make sure that there's a lot of slip solution underneath the film. That way we're able to move and play around with the film just a little bit. And what this does is helps us prevent any wrinkles on the film. So as you can see, little by little, the fingers that we had here are going away. And make sure you're holding it on this end. And just start applying tack solution on top of the film. Grab your squeegee and start tacking everything down. So it's just taking your time securing each section of the tail light here. Once you get around this area here, just continue on. You can use your hand as well to just guide the fingers away little by little, and then with your squeegee just start securing the film. Pretty simple. It's just taking your time. And then the last step, once we make sure we remove all the solution, is to seal the top, bottom edge, and this side as well. Since there is a small curve, the film will tend to lift. So to make sure it stays flat onto the tail light, applying heat and tack solution and tagging it down will do the trick. You can lift the film just a little bit, apply tack solution underneath and on top. Apply heat with your heat gun. You can use the low setting. If you do use the high setting, for example here, just make sure to apply the heat evenly and not focus on one area for too long. So the low setting will be a better option. Okay, let the film cool down a little bit. Apply tack solution. And same step, grab your microfiber towel and just help it tack down. As you can see, everything stays flat. Before we seal the rest of the film, just make sure there's no bubbles underneath the film. So before we seal the edges, just make sure, double check no bubbles. Once we made sure that everything's good, seal the top, bottom edge. Once this is done, we move on to the next piece. Alright, so now we proceed to the top section. Same steps. Slip solution on both the adhesive and on the lens. Tack solution on this end. So with this one, just make sure when you are aligning it, this section of the film will be aligned to this end. The smaller end here will go on this side. So just align it to the edge. Remember, it will overlap the film just a little bit. Just make sure none of the clear is showing from the tail light. And it should wrap up to the edge here. So this should be good. It's aligned here. Spray tack solution. Same steps, secure it, remove the solution, and then move on to stretching the film to align it here. Lift the film just a little bit. Apply slip solution. That way it's able to move. Just do a small stretch until it reaches to the edge here. So stretch the film going that way. Hold it in position for a bit. Let go. And apply tack solution underneath. Stretch it again. Hold it. That way the tack solution that we sprayed on the back end helps the adhesive activate faster and holds it in place. Now spray tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee and start securing it. Make sure just around this area to really squeegee out the solution that's underneath the film, since there is a small little bump here on the tail light. So just before you seal it, remove all solution that's underneath here. Okay, and one thing you can start doing to secure this section here of the tail light is applying a little bit of heat. That way we're able to bring down the solution that's underneath towards the bottom. So apply tack solution on top, use the low setting for this part, and apply heat evenly throughout this section here. Okay, use your microfiber towel just to help bring down the solution. And just take your time doing this step. That way we're able to remove all of the solution. Make sure not to seal this end, that way the solution goes down. And just repeat the process until this is tacked down. And then now just finish off the bottom and the top edge, seal them, same process, tack solution and heat, and you're good. Okay, so now we're moving on to the top section here of the tail light. For this part, just apply a little bit of slip solution and more tack solution on this end, and just a little bit of slip onto the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to align it on this end here. So make sure you align it right on the edge and make sure it falls into place. So secure this end first. Apply tack solution with your squeegee, tack it down to secure it. And remember, it's going to overlap this film just by a little bit. That way there's no clear showing. Remove all of the bubbles underneath the film and then just keep aligning it here. That way it covers the clear part, and then tack it down. So if you need to lift it, you can. Just lift it carefully and keep it aligned. Once you have it aligned, spray tack solution on top with your squeegee. Seal off the remaining of the tint. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And then just seal this end. Again, tack solution on top. That way we seal the film and it doesn't lift over time. And a little bit of heat and use your microfiber towel and you should be good. Double check and see if the film is lifting. If your finger catches it, then it means it hasn't been sealed properly. But if your finger doesn't catch it, you should be good to go. And now we move on to the last piece that covers this side of the tail light. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece that covers this section here. For this section, make sure to open the trunk. That way you have room to work with here. So just apply tack solution with this one. Since it is a smaller piece, all we need to do is just align it on the top end. And make sure you follow the design of the tail light here as you align it. And let's say if you're having a hard time moving the film around, you can always apply just a little bit of slip solution. That way you're able to move the film around. So it should be aligned just like this. And it should reach up to the end here. Now apply tack solution onto the film. Grab your squeegee and start tacking it down. Remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Once that's done, the last step is to seal the edges, and then once we seal the edges, we move on to the last step, which is post-heating the film. And to seal them, remember, just apply tack solution onto the edge, heat, and microfiber towel. Okay, so once you finish with the entire installation for the tail light, the last thing to do is to post-heat the film. So all you need to do is apply tack solution to the tint, and we're going to use our heat gun. You can use the low or the high setting for this part. Just make sure if you do use the high setting, not to focus on one area for too long. Make sure to spread the heat evenly. That way we're able to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel. That way we help tack down the film in case it is lifting around the edges, and also help remove any solution that are on the edges. So take your time doing this step, and once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the Lexus GX. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.